Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to actually create a Discord account. Now you want to open up your browser, guys. If you have an active internet connection, go to discord.com. As you can see that I'm at discord.com. Otherwise you can just simply open up your browser, guys, and you can easily type in the word Discord and search. You'll find the official website for Discord. As I said, it's discord.com, and once you're on the official website, all you have to do is simply click on login on the upper right hand side. Now, once you do that, it's going to take you right over to the login page. But if you don't have an account, at the bottom, you'll have the option to register. It says need an account, simply click on register. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and fill in the details. So you will want to go ahead and enter your email address. Then you want to enter your name or your display name. Let's go ahead and type in Drew Toots as an example. And yeah, it can be the same thing too. I can use the same as my name there. Let me go ahead and make it a bit different. Username, it says the username is invalid, so let me go ahead and put something there. As you can see, it says my username is valid, so it says username is available, so I'm going to use Drew Toots. And the password, I go ahead and I create my password here. Then it's going to require you to enter your date of birth. Just going to make up something here. The first one is optional, guys, but you want to go ahead and ensure that you accept the terms and conditions here. So go ahead and click on create an account. Remember your username and you want to remember your password. So once you create your account, it will say that, wait, are you human? It's going to give you something to do here. It just basically said that please click on the object that is different. So you want to look for the different object here. In my case, that's the one. Then I go ahead and click on next, do the same, then click on verify. And once it is done, it's going to go through the process of creating your account for you. You can save your password if you want to do that. Now from here, you're going to get started, right? This is where you're in your Discord. You can choose your team. It's really up to you what you want to do. So if you want to use a light team, for the purpose, I'm going to keep with this default one here. And then we just quickly click and apply. And basically that's it, guys. Yeah, you can say whatever. You can create your own Discord server if you want to. And you just basically get started. You don't have to get started with doing anything just yet, but it's really up to you. For my friends, simple. You can upload an image if you want to, and so forth. But if you want to learn how to use Discord, guys, I'm going to simply teach you step by step all the things that you need to know so that you can find your way around this platform here. And so I will not basically show you anything else more than how to create an account in this one. So if you would like to learn more and more and more about the Discord, you'll find a playlist that this video will also be in, and there's going to be a ton more videos about Discord that you can learn. But that's it, guys. All you have to do, guys, is just go ahead and you can create your server from here. I can leave it like that. I can just go ahead and click and create just to get started there. And yeah, these are some of the basic steps or basic things that you need to set up once you get started with Discord. And it's going to say, take me to my server, and you will say, okay, fine. And that's it. You're in Discord, guys, and that's all there is to it. Now, if you want to learn more, as I said, hit the subscribe button, check out the playlist, and you will find a lot more videos there coming out about what you can do with Discord, how you can use Discord, and so forth. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and looking forward to see you in the next video.